Tree. I'm doing some curry crab this morning. Good morning, YouTuber. And this is the way I do my curry crab. You can see lots of garlic, onion, pepper, and carrot, pepper, lots of pepper I cut up. And you can see it. I'm gonna curry it. So I'm marinating, I'm seasoning it right now. This is the way I do my curry crab. I'm putting some carrot and everything on it that you can see. See my season. Garlic, lots of garlic, lots of pepper, onion, scallion, and I'm cutting up some carrots now. This is the way I do it. So I like you to like it, share, subscribe. Do remember to touch the notice button to tell a friend, This is the way Auntie Claire do our curry crab.